Morning and welcome to you all. Welcome to your TSN English class. Today we'll be starting the ninth video of chapter The Enemy, class 12 from your book Vistas. And before starting with that, I would like to tell you about the previous videos. That in previous videos that after helping that man or after performing that operation, Dr. Sado and Henna, they both were like in a situation where their servants opposed them. They don't want them to help that man. And what happens up next? Let's see. So this is like the situation why how enemies treat each other and how they think about that. And apart from that, Dr. Sado is just performing his professional duties. So let's read from here with this first paragraph here. Had said in his impulsive way, anyway, let me tell you that my name is Tom. She had only bowed her little distant bow. She saw hurt in her eyes, but she did not wish to arrange. Indeed, he was a great trouble in this house. So जब हेना वहाँ जाती हैं तो वो बॉय अपना नाम बताता है दैट माई नेम इज़ टॉम एंड शी हैड ओनली बोर्ड हर लिटिल डिस्टेंट बो. सो वो सिर्फ वो अपना सर हिला देती है, अपना एक्सप्रेशन दे देती है एंड शी सॉ हर्ट इन हर हिज आइज एंड वो देखती है कि दैट मैन इज़ हर्ट नॉट विथ फिजिकल अपीयरेंस एंड इंटरनली भी वो काफ़ी हर्ट था, बट शी डिड नॉट विश टू as uses it, and indeed he was a great trouble in this house. But at the same time जो है ना है वो भी उसको रिप्लाई ज़्यादा नहीं करना चाहती थी. बिकॉज वाई दैट सो बिकॉज हैना न्यू दैट दैट मैन इज लाइक अ ट्रबल फॉर both of them when he said so. She did not want to treat it. Indeed, he posed a great threat for them. That man is a great threat for both of them. So let's read from here now. As for Sado, every day he examined the wound carefully. The last stitches had been pulled out this morning, and the young man would in fortnight be nearly as well as ever. Sado went back to his office and carefully typed a letter to the chief of the police reporting the whole matter. On the 21st day of February, an escaped prisoner was washed up on the shore in front of my house. So far, he typed, and then he opened a secret drawer of his desk and he put the unfinished report into it. So here what's going on, students, that as far as Sadhu was concerned, Dr. Sadhu की अगर हम बात करें, that he regularly checked his wound and he has pulled out last of his stitches this morning. And the young man was like 15, had recovered a great deal. So Sado went back to his office and letter was typed to chief of the police reporting like the whole matter was what was that matter. And it was like 21st February when his wife and he spotted a man washed up ashore in front of their house, and he tried till there here and inserted that unfinished report into his secret drawer. And what was happens up next, let's read. So on the seventh day after that, two things happened in the morning. The servants left together their belongings tied in large square cotton kerchiefs. When Henna got up in the morning, nothing was done. The house not cleaned, and the food not prepared. And she knew what it meant. She was dismayed and even terrified, but her pride as a mistress would not allow her to show it. Instead, she inclined her head gracefully when they appeared before her in the kitchen, and she paid them off and thanked them for all that they had done for her. They were crying, but she did not cry. The cook and the gardener had served Sado since he was a little boy in his father's house, and Yumi cried because of children. She was so grieving that after she had gone, she ran back to Henna. If the baby misses me too much tonight, send for me. I'm going to my own house and you know where it is. Thank you, Hannah said, smiling, but she told herself she would not stand for Yumi. However, the baby cried. She made the breakfast and Sado helped with the children. Neither of them spoke of the servants beyond the fact that they were gone. But after Hannah had taken morning food to the prisoner and she came back to Sado. So let's read here that it was the seventh day when two things occurred in the morning, that all the servants left and they uh, like they had tied their belongings in large square cotton kerchiefs, and on getting up in the morning Hannah found nothing was done, that there was no work performed by their servants, and the house was like dirty and no food was prepared for them. And it did not take her long to understand that all the servants, they don't want to give their service here anymore. So she was distressed and terrified, but being a mistress, being the wife of Dr. Sado, so being a mistress, she did not show all these things, and on the contrary of that, or on the other side of that, you can say that she held her head high gracefully, that she is proud of his husband, Dr. Sado, that he is a doctor and at the same time he is a good human being. So she gracefully held her head high, and when they came before her in the kitchen, she paid them off their salaries and thanked them for the service for her family. Because अगर वो भी उनकी तरह हो जाती, सर्वेंट्स की तरह, then what is the difference between a kind person and a rude person? So she don't want to be like that. She wanted to be like a strong woman, and they had tears in their eyes, but she did not present such weakness. So at that time, Dr. Sado looks the servants look emotional, or they cried a lot, but Henna they won't do that. And the cook and the gardener had been serving them their family from like Dr. Sado's father time. So Yumi wept for the children, and that servant who take care of his children or their children, he she wept for children, and she was so emotional that after she had gone, she came back to hug हैना. तो वो जाने के बाद भी वो क्या करती है, जाने के वक्त हैना को हग करती है. एंड शी मैंशनड वन थिंग टू हैना, दैट इफ़ द बेबी क्राइज फॉर मी टुनाइट कॉल मी. अगर बच्चे आपके मुझे याद करते हैं, मुझे बुला लेना. बट आई विल गो टू माई हाउस एंड यू हैव माई एड्रेस. मैं अपने घर जा रही हूँ एंड यू नो माई एड्रेस. यू कैन इफ़ यू नीड हेल्प यू कैन कॉल मी. सो थैंक यू है ना, जो है वो उसे थैंक यू मेंशन करती है, एंड सेड विद अ स्माइल, बिकॉज शी हैड मेड अप हर माइंड दैट शी वॉज नॉट गोइंग टू कॉल हर इवन इफ द बेबी क्राइड. वो ऐसा कभी नहीं करेगी चाहे बच्चा रोए भी. सो नेक्स्ट डे जो है सर्वेंट्स को उस दिन विदा करने के बाद शी प्रिपेयर द ब्रेकफास्ट एंड सैदो टेक केयर ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन. डॉक्टर सैदो जो है बच्चों का ध्यान रखते हैं. दे डिड नॉट टॉक अबाउट द सर्वेंट एक्सेप्ट देयर डिपार्चर फ्रॉम द हाउस. वो सर्वेंट्स के बारे में बिल्कुल बात नहीं करते, ओनली फॉर देयर डिपार्चर. But when Hannah had served breakfast to the prisoner, she came to Sado. But the doctor Hannah जब prisoner को breakfast serve करती है, after that वो डॉक्टर सैदो के पास आती है. And why we are stretching his staying without knowing that we should do. तो वो अपने हस्बैंड डॉक्टर सैदो से पूछती है that why we are stretching his staying. That means why we kept that man और कब तक हम उसे अपने घर रखेंगे. Even the servants had clear stand. जबकि servants ने भी अपना एक clear decision ले लिया है that they don't want to serve for their like a man who is a prisoner और अमेरिकन प्रिजनर. वाई वी नॉट लाइक अदर जैपनीज. हम दूसरे जैपनीज की तरह क्यों नहीं हैं. सो सैडो डिड नॉट आंसर, बट अ लिटिल लेटर ही वेंट इन टू हिज रूम. सैडो डॉक्टर सैडो कोई आंसर नहीं देते. एंड वेयर द प्रिजनर वॉज एंड सेड ब्रूस्कली. सो डॉक्टर सैदो कोई आंसर नहीं देते और ये पूछते हैं कि प्रिजनर कहाँ है. सो लेट्स रीड द नेक्स्ट पेज. टुडे यू मे गेट अप ऑन योर फीट. आई वॉन्ट यू टू स्टे अप ओनली 5 minutes एट अ time. So Dr. Sado उससे पूछते हैं, but after a while he entered the room where the prisoner was, and he asked to that prisoner that today you are like going to get up on your own feet, so you must not stay for more than 5 minutes at a time. So डॉक्टर सैदो जो हैं वो एक तरीके की उसको एडवाइस दे रहे हैं कि तुम्हें इतना ऐसे ऐसा परफॉर्म करना है कि हर दिन तुम्हें फॉर 5 minutes यू हैव टू स्टैंड एट योर ओन, एंड टुमारो यू शुड ट्राई टू ट्वाइस फॉर द सेम ड्यूरेशन। और ऐसा तुम्हें आज तुम्हें 5 minutes करना है, एंड दिस इज काइंड लाइक एक्सरसाइज फॉर यू, सो दैट यू कैन दैट you are like you can recover soon. So for that, for next day you have to try it like twice of the same duration, and I will hope that you will get back to your strength faster. And Dr. Sado advised karte hain ki, and after that you will get your strength in a faster manner. So he saw the flicker of the terror on the young face that was still very pale. Okay, the boy murmured. Evidently he was determined to say more. I feel I ought to thank you, doctor, for having saved my life. Don't thank me too early, Sado said coldly. He saw the flicker of terror again in the boy's eyes. Terror as unmistakable as an animal. The scars on his neck were crimson for a moment. Those scars, what were they? Sado did not ask. In the afternoon, the second thing happened. Hannah worked hard on unaccustomed labor, saw a messenger come to the door in official uniform. Her hands went weak and she could not draw her breath. The servants must have told already. She ran to Sado, gasping, unable to utter a word, but by then the messenger had simply followed her through the garden. And then he stood. She pointed at him helplessly. And what happens up next, students? That after all these things that Dr. Sadhu jo se advise karte hain that how you will get back your strength faster, he noticed that there was a flicker terror in the eyes of that man, and which had still like paleness on his face. So that man said, American man said that okay, the boy he said that I wanted to like thank you, and I feel I should say thanks to you for saving my life, and it was टू अर्ली टू थैंक मी. सो ऐसा डॉक्टर सैदो, जब वो डॉक्टर सैदो को कहता है कि मैं आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ, तो डॉक्टर सैदो उसे क्या मेंशन करता है दैट इट्स लाइक तुम बहुत जल्दी मुझे थैंक्स कर रहे हो. एंड आफ्टर हियरिंग दिस दैट मैन इज अगेन इन लाइक सिचुएशन ऑफ लाइक टेरर दैट अगेन emerged on boys face that situation, and was then the same on the face of like an animal. So the wound mark on his neck became crimson for a few seconds, और उसके नेक पे जो wound marks थे वो कुछ seconds के लिए उसे ऐसा लगा जैसे वापस जो wounds हैं वो वापस दर्द करने लगे हैं. इस काइंड ऑफ दैट. सो दो स्कार्स वेयर ही डिड गेट देम, सैडो डिड नॉट वांट टू नो. सो डॉक्टर सैडो ये जानना तक नहीं चाहते थे कि उसे ये चोट या स्कार्स जो हैं वो कहाँ से लगे हैं. एंड ऑन दैट आफ्टरनून देयर इज समथिंग हैपेंड ओवर देयर. दैट सेकेंड थिंग दैट व्हेन हेना वाज बिजी इन हर हाउस होल्ड कोर्स, एट दैट टाइम द वर्क लाइक शी वर्क्स लाइक अ लेबरर, एंड शी saw a messenger appearing at the door and wearing an official uniform. So she was surprised that what was going on. कहीं किसी को पता तो नहीं चल गया that there is a prisoner staying in at their home, and they might have like किसी ने complain कर दिया और servants ने कर दिया. So her body became cold and she found it hard to breathe. So the servants must have informed the police. She at once reached Sadhu, and she explained everything to Sadhu, and एक बार तो वो कुछ बोल नहीं पाती, बट टिल देन द मैसेंजर हैड केम. तो वो बोलना तो चाहती होती है मन में, बट ड्यू टू टेरर शी इज़ नॉट एबल टू स्पीक एट दैट टाइम. एंड जो मैसेंजर है वो उसको फॉलो करता हुआ उनके गार्डन तक आ जाता है. एंड स्टूड देयर, शी पॉइंटेड एट हिम हेल्पलेसली, और वहाँ खड़े होके वो उसकी तरफ इशारा करते हुए से कहती है. सो लेट्स रीड द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. सैडो लुक्ड अप फ्रॉम हिज book. He was in his office, the other partition of which was thrown open to the garden for the southern sunshine. What is it? He asked the messenger, and then he rose, seeing the man's uniform. You are to come to the palace, the man said. The old general is in pain again. Oh, Hannah breathed. Is that all? The messenger exclaimed. Is that it is not enough. Indeed, it is. She replied, I am very sorry. When Sado came to say goodbye, she was in the kitchen, but doing nothing. The children were asleep, and she sat merely resting for a moment, more exhausted from her fight than from fright that from work. So what was going here, students, that when that men came in their house in that official uniform, so हैना जो है वो बहुत डर जाती है. She felt very frightened at that time, and Sado raised his eyes from his book that he was sitting in that office, that the partition which was not front of their garden for the like southern sunshine. And what is it, he asked that messenger, that seeing his dressed, he stood up, वो खड़ा हो जाता है, and you are called to the police. और वो पूछता है, the old messenger is again suffering. अब old messenger समझ नहीं पाता that what they are talking about. Oh, Hannah took a sigh of relief, is that all? So Hannah उससे पूछती है, okay, everything is okay here, all is the messenger. और उसके बाद messenger थोड़ा आश्चर्य से पूछा, what more are you expecting, आप क्या चाह रही थी? only that you said, she told him. तो वो उससे सॉरी मांगते that I apology, and फिर वो कहती है जो आप कह रहे हैं I meant that's the same. And when Sado bade him bye, जब डॉक्टर सैदो उसे बाय कह देते हैं, and after that she was in the kitchen but pretending working. है ना, उस वक्त वर्क नहीं कर रही होती, but she pretending like she was working in the kitchen, and the children had slept. They were like asleep, and she sat to rest for a moment, and more she looks more tired, not for that labor or not for that work or for the, or like household chores. She looks tired for what, that she is like टोटली फ्राइटेंड, डर के मारे वो ज़्यादा थका हुआ महसूस कर रही थी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, विल बी कंटिन्यूइंग योर नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो और नेक्स्ट pages of your video, pages of your chapter in our next video. Thank you all.